We're continuing to celebrate National Crafting Month this morning. In this half hour, we're creating some mini magnets. Amy Latta is back with us. Mini masterpiece magnets is what we're doing. So why don't you tell us what we need for this project? Sounds exciting.
Sure, this is a ton of fun. We're going to do the slightly more complicated version first, which is still not hard at all, and then we're going to do an even easier one that literally anyone can make. So all you need are these little 1-inch round glass cabs, and basically all this is, it's a little dome-shaped piece of glass with a flat back. I got these in a big package on Amazon. I got like 100 of them, so you can go crazy and decorate everyone's fridge. But you just grab these. You're going to need small round magnets, and then you'll need cardstock or Bristol board, and then just a pencil or some permanent markers. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the cab and we're going to trace it onto our cardstock so that we know what size and shape we're working with. Then we're going to create a mini masterpiece. So this is where you get to doodle and have some fun. And you can see on the examples that I have here on my silver board, I have shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day, I have a flower for spring, I have a rainbow, and then I had like a little bunny down here for spring. So you can do it seasonally or anything that you like. You could do your monogram, a little word, a name, a sunshine, anything you want. So you're going to doodle that and cut it out so that you have this little round circle with your masterpiece on it. Then it's time to create the magnet. Now, what we're doing for the even simpler version, which is what you have here,
yes.
Deborah, I wasn't sure if you were going to feel up for drawing this morning. So the other thing that you can do is instead of using the cardstock and making your own picture, you can use patterned scrapbook paper. So what you have there is just scrapbook paper that I got at the craft store, and I cut it to be the correct size. So you can choose, you know, purple polka dots, teal flowers, any kind of pattern that you like. Now we're going to take a clear glue and we're going to apply some to the flat back of this cab. And what I do, I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but I use my finger. I just spread it with my finger, and that way I know it gets spread out. And then I'm just going to put my little masterpiece on here face down, and that's going to adhere it, and you're going to do the same with yours. And then we're going to apply a little bit more of our glue and put one of these magnets on the back. And that's literally all there is to it. Then once this dries, it can go right on the fridge and hold up your special papers.
Perfect. This is great. Now this all ties into your book, I take it, and why don't you talk to us about your release party?
Yes, I would love to. So this is another project that could be inspired by the exercises in the journal. And again, they're so quick and so easy. It's just getting you to express your creativity in any way that you love best. So I'm celebrating this book release with a special party, and I know some folks in PA might be a little too far to want to come. I'm a Maryland girl, but Westminster, Maryland is where it's taking place. So if you're close enough, I would love to meet some of you. It's this Saturday, March the 12th from 7 to 9 p.m. at McDaniel College. And it's kind of a drop-in event. It's not a big formal sit down for 2 hours kind of thing. You drop in, there's going to be a dessert bar catered by the college, so you get to have some snacks.
Fun.
Coffee bar, and then I'm going to have 5 make and take projects set up. So the washi tape cards, these magnets, then you can also see these bookmarks I drew, and folks are going to be able to color them. And then I have these little 3D paper eggs that you can make. So these just quick, easy little make and take projects. And of course, you can buy books and get them signed, mingle, and meet with me. And if you would like to come, there was a link on there. It's bit.ly/McD_book, and that's to register. And the registration is not binding, of course. It's totally free. The whole event is free. And if you sign up, that just helps us to know how many brownies to bake and how many little paper egg supplies to cut out, so that we know how many people to plan for. So
sorry,
great.
Could you say that again?
Oh, great.
I couldn't hear what you said.
Thanks, Amy.
all right, thank you so much.
Stay with us. We will be right back.